How to install kitchen cabinet doors. Not all kitchen cabinet doors are the same. These are just the ones that work for this apartment. You're gonna need a drill with a Phillips head, screwdriver bit, 2 kitchen cabinet doors, 2 handles, and 4 hinges. We're gonna unwrap the doors with a knife. I'm gonna take these little plastic pieces and these go in the small holes around the big hole.
In the midst of the years revived, in the midst of the years make it known, in wrath remember.
And these 2 holes are gonna go, like the screws are gonna go through these holes into the plastic pieces we just hammered in. Take your 2 screws and your drill. Now we're just gonna do the same for the other 4 holes. Now we're gonna take the other screws and they're gonna go through like these holes here in the top and bottom into the side of the into the side of the wood. Into the side of the wood. The other one, same thing.
The everlasting hill sank low. His were the everlasting ways. I saw the tents of Cushing.
Now we need to make holes for the handles because the way these connect is like a screw goes through one side of the door and then this goes through the, like on the other side of the door. And then the screws screw into the handle. So we need to make holes for the screws. So sorry, I forgot, you're gonna need a drill bit. The drill bit has to be thin enough. Whatever size you use, it has to be thinner than the screw in order for like the threaded part to go through, but the cap needs to be on the other side. So we're gonna make a hole in the door here. See, the screw just comes through like so. Then screw this in. I'm gonna screw it in, but partially, not all the way yet. You take a Sharpie or some other marking tool, and so this is straight up and straight down. So you're gonna take a Sharpie and just make a mark like where the hole is going to be. Then drill the other hole. Got our Phillips head bit again. We're going to screw this screw into the handle. There we go. Just do the same for the other one.
You went out for the salvation of your people, the salvation of your anointed.
All good. Like and subscribe.